Welcome back to the Nighthawk Pro Gaming Lounge. I'm Leslie, and I'm with Ben, and today we're unboxing the XR500 gaming router. How you feel, Ben?
I'm excited. As an avid gamer myself, I've had networking problems, so I was very excited when we developed this product. You ready to go?
Let's unbox it.
Cool. So here we go in a nice little box. Great design. Included user manual. We don't need that. We're pros here, right? So here we go. We got the router itself. That's very satisfying. There we go. Looks great.
Got the
little power brick right here. Got the included Ethernet cable, as well as all the antennas. Let's go ahead and screw these in.
Screw this in. You probably should do it though. Yeah, we have it.
There we go.
So, what's so special about this router, Ben?
Well, as an avid gamer myself, I know the problems with networking. There's a lot of great configuration tools in here. This router is the combination of the powerful software from Netduma, the Duma OS, as well as the premium hardware from NETGEAR. So pulling those together, this is really truly a gaming machine. You play any games at home?
Right now I'm playing Fortnite, Overwatch, PUBG.
Yeah, so if you've experienced any networking problems, you can actually go into the software of this on your mobile device or on your web browser, and within that gaming dashboard, there's lots of different configurations. You can actually choose by device how much bandwidth they receive. So if your friend is streaming Netflix and you're trying to play a game, you can actually turn down how much bandwidth they're receiving.
So you're saying I can prioritize gaming at that time?
Exactly. Yeah, so that way you're not lagging, you're not rubber banding whenever they start a new episode of The Office, right? It happens all the time, 7:30 like clockwork at home for me. Also within the dashboard itself, there's so many different tools. You can see your latency, you can see the performance of the router, you can see the performance of your games and things like that. So you can identify those networking problems. It's really great, and especially with the added connectivity in the back. Oops, got a little droopy. A lot of different Ethernet ports here, so you can connect your Xbox, your PlayStation, your PC, your smart TV, all of that to make sure that
Directly to the router?
Directly to the router.
That's great.
So it's both, the direct wired connection for maximum performance as well as Wi-Fi. So you keep your phone connected if you're playing mobile games and things like that. It's a pretty cool router, huh?
I can't wait to try it out.
Yeah, I'm excited. Can I bring this home?
No, we gotta keep it up. We gotta keep it at work. Well, now you have it. The router's out now. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we catch you later.
Happy gaming.